Nandito kami sa sa post office. May i-mail lang kaming mga papers. Today nga pala is July 15, Monday. And yeah, alas 4 na ng hapon. So, email lang natin ito sandali. Alas 6 pa man sila nag-close.
So I guess it's probably I wonder if it's going to be a big. They sending me all this back, I guess.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Got it. Look.
If not, at least the originals. And then I also have this application form for my passport. Hindi kami natuloy sa guys sa court.
Oh, we don't have no appointment now.
Yeah, yung appointment ko kasi is sa 29 this July 29. So dala-dala ko lang siya just in case they will accept me. Yeah. For the last time na pumunta ako dito, mahaba yung linya and sinabihan ako na you have to make an appointment. Yan. Kasi originally nagpa-appointment ako right after my oath taking. Nagpa-appointment ako tapos na-miss ko yung appointment ko kasi nandito yung mga bata and we got so busy. Akala ko July 10 pa yung appointment ko. Hindi ko na chinek. So, na-miss ko yung appointment ko. But it's okay. Hindi naman siya kailangang i-rush. Yan. I just want to finish manggod a lot of things or accomplish a lot of things bago mag-open ang klase na food. Okay, so, halika na, Rachel. Ayan, so we are heading to another post office guys kasi yung isang post office na pinuntahan namin, down yung system nila. So, ayan, and we wanna mail these papers already para wala na tayong isipin, 'di ba? Para move on na naman tayo sa next natin na na dapat na gawin. Yan, so yeah, anyway, after naming ma-mail ang mga papers, we might stop by somewhere, siguro sa park, ganun, or bili lang kami ng konting food kasi nagutom ang mga tiyan natin. And then after that, I'm planning to go to Target kasi meron na tayong 4 na box. So, kulang pa kasi yung pang-apat natin. Meron pa tayong space. Parang kalahati pa lang yung yung laman ng ating box. So, plano ko na dagdagan siya para na natin, ma-ship out na natin siya kasi nag-a-accumulate na sa bahay and maliit lang yung tinitirhan namin. So, hopefully, maipa-ship na natin siya. So, ayan yung plano natin ngayon. And how's everything naman pala sa lahat dyan? And yan ang anak ko. And si Daddy. How are you, Daddy? Great, great, great. Okay, see you.
Hi guys, so today we're gonna be opening this parcel, so let me just open it.
Later.
Now.
Later. Yeah.
It's open, and here's the tripod, guys. Do you like it? It's very beautiful, right?
Mm-hmm. So, kakamail lang namin ng ng mga papers. Ayan, at least open yung isang dito, post office dito. Papakita ko sa inyo, sandali lang.
$1 special. I think it has the burger, drink, and fries.
Yeah, we'll see. Gutom na ko. We are heading to get some food to eat, and then after that pupunta kami ng ng park para makapagpaik-paik si Rachel. And then are we still going to Target or what?
Probably run over there. Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
2 or 3 items.
All right. So we're not going to get a lot of stuff today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, kasi kasi mabuslot na yung bulsa natin. Yeah. So that one lang Chevrolet. I need to make a price
that company in the
Philippines.
That's to be one of them Chinese nonsense and Japanese.
Oh, that is why if we ship this to the Philippines, it's going to be difficult for us to get the
Because
yeah to. Mm, yeah.
that's why you want to just buy one over there and whatever they're selling over
Yeah.
there.
Okay. So, yeah, anyway. So, magsaglit lang kami sa Target kasi kukuha lang kami ng, yeah, ng konti para maidagdag namin sa box. Hinay-hinay lang tapos, yun, pag ano, balik na lang kami next time.
Box.
Uh-huh. Oh, donut. Look, that's a nice donut. What's this for?
That's what I found in the stuff, but we're not actually gonna buy these two, but we're just gonna be like,
You just want to try it. Wait, one. This is a sandwich, ano lang ka,
What do you mean?
container. Sandwich container.
No, we're not.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah,
And
it's
it's just
cute. But we're not
$3.
getting it though.
This is cute, oh, and it's only $3. What? What?
It's
Kasi
only
yun.
$3.
Oo. Para sa sandwich ni Rachel, like when we go to the
Okay.
church.
Look that. That's
See? Wait. Uh-oh. Don't have soap in the box yet. Actually, I took some of these and put them in the box. Yeah. Just to fill it. Because there's still like a little space. I think I added like 5 or 6 of them. Yeah. So I need some shampoo and conditioner. This one. Much daddy, no?
guys, this comb just ruined my hair and made it ugly and straight.
No, don't make it look like that.
Yeah,
Just fix it like that.
I don't want my hair to look straight. I want it to look curly.
It's always this dial. Yeah, for the box also.
That's what I'm looking for instead of that. Stop pushing me out.
Daddy. Okay, anyway, I think I like this one. They're the same price, yeah.
Yeah, that's the one I like. This
Mhm.
color.
Na-stress na si Javi sa kuha. Dito tayo sa may... So, naghahanap kami ng towels. Gusto ko yung ano, thick na towel. Dali lang. This is okay. I like this. Yan kasi palagi siyang nakakaiwan ng ano, ng asawa ko ng papel sa ano, sa mga bulsa-bulsa niya. Tapos minsan hindi ko na check. Langga, oh, this is good.
How much is this?
With the box, 14.
How much?
14.
Yeah,
That's good for you.
fine.
So, naghahanap ako dito ng ano, bed sheet or quilt. Hindi naman kailangan o quilt sa Pilipinas. Ay. Yung mura lang. Good show. Para sa bata, para kay Rachel. 45 siya. Full queen. Then ito. Naghahanap kami kung ano pa yung maidagdag namin.
So if you know what this is, then comment down below. Please.
This is my favorite area sa Target. Here and sa may mga ano towels. I don't know why I like going to the kitchen towel area.
Hello guys, who would like some of these? I don't know. Please comment down below, please. but I want to know what they're specifically called.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just check here. That's pretty.
$8.
I'm gonna get a Soup's drink out of these.
15. Ito rin. Cute.
Guys,
85.
look how bad. Who did this? Guys, look. Who just left? Who has the right to leave
Oh,
the drink
dear.
here? Guys, never ever leave a drink.
Yeah, it's not good.
This is what I want to look like a Dollar Tree.
Mm-hmm.
It's something.
This is really heavy and thick. And I like the color too. Okay, so anyway, yeah, pauwi na kami guys. Oh, I think we have to stop by at Publix. Because we have to get some water. So ayun, konti lang yung
I was thinking we still got a lot of water in the closet. Just get in the case and start using that.
alright.
That's a lot. That's a whole lot.
Yeah, I know. We'll end up giving some of them.
I'll just fill up the bottles that we have, but I'm not gonna buy.
Just for my cooking. Okay, so yeah, pauwi na kami. Konti lang yung napamili namin kasi
Not for wash.
oh no, I don't use it to wash the rice. Yeah. Yeah, so ganyan talaga kapag yung ang asawa mo is tawag dito, nagmo-monitor talaga. Kaya dapat, that's why we have to marry a man who is always thinking about the future, di ba? Kaya para hindi mabutas yung bulsa natin kasi butas na nga, mas mabubutas pa. So yes. Okay, so see you guys later. I'll show you what we got. Ayan, hello everyone. It's almost it's 10:26. So anyway, yeah, i-share ko lang pala sa inyo yung mga napamili namin kanina. I-share ko sa inyo yung mga napamili namin. Bumili kami ng printing paper. Ano lang ito guys? $8. $8. So siya? 750 sheets. Yan. And then meron din tayong towel. Yan. Eto. And meron tayong dalawang towel para sa asawa ko. Eto. Yan. So, hindi pa ako nakapag-decide kung anong towel yung gusto ko. Kaya baka na lang, balik na lang kami next time. So, saka na ako mag-decide. Kasi kanina parang hindi talaga namin napag-usapan na, to go shopping, ganon. So, kaya wala talaga ang budget. So, ganon. Sabi ko lang sa asawa ko, gusto kong tumingin-tingin sa Target so I can, grab some stuff that I can add to our box. So, ito rin kasi pawisin ang asawa ko and alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas, masyadong mainit. Kagaya dito sa Florida, mainit din.
No, 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 no!
So, ayan. And then, ito, rags for my daughter. Ano lang ito? Do you remember how much this cost na? Like $2.50 yata.
$2.80.
How much?
$2.80.
Okay. So, 2
Wait,
for 6.
99 I guess. Yeah, 99.
So, meron tayong 6 yan. And then, eto, pag mag-grill tayo, ayan, $6 lang ito, 300 sa Philippines. Mostly, ano yung pinamili namin guys? Shampoo, conditioner, at saka body wash. Ito, mura lang ito guys. Ito yung Target brand. I forgot how much it cost, pero less than $5. Parang nasa $3 lang ito. So, kumuha ang asawa ko ng 1, 2, 3, tatlo niyan. Let's see kung meron pa siya dito. Okay, so meron tayong 4 na ito. Target brand siya na body wash. And then, meron tayong, ito yung deodorant na ginagamit ng asawa ko. And then, meron tayong ditong another Target brand na body wash. Kay Rachel, ito siya. Tapos, wait lang. Okay. Meron tayo ditong Olay. Ayan. Sa amin ito ng asawa ko. Yan. And then, meron tayo ditong ano guys, tagho $1 lang siya, $1 plus lang siya na conditioner at saka same price lang sila ng shampoo. So, meron tayong 4 na conditioner, 2 white and 2 ganito parang green or mint green na kulay. And then, meron tayong 3 shampoo. Yan. So, ito. And then, bumili din tayo ng hand soap. Okay, sure. Ayan, ito siya. So, hopefully, mapuno na itong pang-4 natin na box para if ready na yung asawa ko na i-ship. So, at least, kumbaga, ready na sila. Diba, na-sealed ko na, wala na akong problemahin.